exchange of ideas about DDR. And then, when we resumed, we immediately, ito na ngayon, we were hoping to get some participants from anybody, from them, para malaman nila kung ano yung DDR. If only to emphasize that when we talk about DDR, it is not our aim to immediately have them disarmed.
You can do that in a primer, Secretary, so that people would understand.
Yeah.
Aside from consultation, people have a way of reviewing it through the primer. What is DDR? Surrender ba?
Siguro in 1 week's time,
Comics style.
in 1 week's time, we will be publishing a primer on DDR with all these lessons para umano na.
Tapos may maging para sa kamar, para mabasa ni Carlo.
Ano mo kay Ryan, yung primer on DDR? I-remind mo lang sa kanya. Yung akin is